Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the JBL Flip 7 speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can clean your USB Type-C port. So at first we have to prepare ourselves something that is long and very tight. I wouldn't recommend using some metal things, it's because it's the charging port and you can damage something. The best is using the plastic things. For example, you can use something like this, and from the cable we can actually, tighten the cable, and it has to be, as you can see, hard. Then we have to find our USB Type-C port, which is here, and we have to just remove the dust from it. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.